Hi guys, you're welcome to Content Lab once again. In this tutorial or in this video, I'm going to show you how to make YouTube suggest your video. So if you're watching a video on YouTube, you tend to see a list of videos aligned by the right side. That is called suggested video, and we are going to take advantage of that. Why do we want to take advantage of that? A suggested video is one of the ways you can keep people on your channel. I mean, when they are watching one video currently from your channel, they should be able to see some other videos from your channel. So if they are interested, they can click on those videos and watch more and stay more on your channel to know more about your channel. So we are going to take advantage of that suggested panel. So let me show you how to set that up. Here is one video from my channel. Yeah, I'm actually playing one video from my channel, and you can see here I have one video from my channel. I have another one from my channel, another one from my channel, and another one from my channel. So this is what we want to achieve in this video, to make YouTube suggest our video. And if you click on from speed leg here, you will see list of videos from my channel. So we are taking over the suggested panel already. So I'm going to show you how to set this up. All you need to do is go to your channel, click on view your channel. Once you've done that, click on manage video. Once you've done that, okay, the list of your uploaded videos are here. So choose any one you want to actually start editing. So I'm going to choose randomly. I'm just going to choose this and click on details, like you want to edit the video, the content once again. Then scroll down to playlist. Go to playlist, then choose any of your playlist. Just choose any of them. So I'm going to choose this tutorial and click on done and save. So once you save it, this is where it's going to appear. So if you click on search video, so it's going to show here from channel. If you click on it, you'll see the list of the videos you've added to that playlist. So you're going to see it here, and also it's going to affect all. It's going to affect all. You'll see a couple of your videos on that all segments. You can see I have one here, and I have one here. I have another one here. Mixed with videos from the channels that you love watching their content. Like this channel, I watch their content a lot, so YouTube is suggesting some videos or live video from that channel. And from channels that I have never watched their video, but YouTube believe that their content are valuable and interesting, so they want me to just watch it or try out and see. You understand? So this is suggested video is a mixture of three. One from a channel that you normally or used to watch their content. Another one from channel you've never watched their content, but YouTube feels that they have great content or valuable content, so they used to suggest it. They seem to suggest it to you so that you can try out, and a trial will convince you. And the trial will convince you. So guys, this is a very simple way on how to make YouTube suggest your video. I hope you enjoy this content that I have created just for you to make sure that you become a great content creator. If you've watched to this extent, I really appreciate your time. Thanks for staying true to this extent. Remember to hit the subscription button and the notification bell. That is the only way you will be notified whenever we upload content on this channel. Remember to comment. Your comment is very important. Whatever you have, whatever question you have, please feel free to ask, and other things that are in your mind for you to express, please express them on that content. On that comment section. I am ready to answer any of your questions. And remember to like and share with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.